For over 14 years, Uganda Counseling and Support Services has been dedicated to transforming lives and communities across Uganda. Today, we are thrilled to share an exciting update on our most ambitious project yet, the UCSS HUB. The UCSS HUB is an answered prayer to the mental health challenges that have been affecting so many in our communities. The UCSS HUB will be a state-of-the-art counseling and mental health center that will offer a conducive environment for counseling services and emotional support to individuals and families, and a place where 50 mental health facilitators will be trained each year to provide vital support to those who need it most in the communities we serve. God has positioned UCSS to be an answer to those with depression, anxiety, and substance abuse that are silently affecting the lives of our people. As an organization, we are also committed to nurturing spiritual growth through our disciple-making center, which will also be part of the UCSS HUB. The HUB will provide space in the form of halls and classrooms where one-on-one mentorship sessions impacting and equipping 1,000 pastors, youth, and community leaders with leadership skills that they will take back to their communities and become agents of change and transformation. The UCSS HUB will also include a vocational skills training center where youth and single mothers will gain valuable skills for sustainable livelihoods. To support our ministry activities and advance our goal of self-sustainability, the HUB will also provide accommodation services for those in need of a place to stay while visiting Kampala for short stays. This initiative will generate income that directly funds our programs in remote communities. Through these combined efforts, the UCSS HUB is projected to impact over 850,000 people, bringing hope, healing, and growth opportunities to individuals and communities throughout Uganda. We couldn't have come this far without the unwavering support and prayers of our partners. Your faith and generosity have been a source of inspiration for us every day. With God's guidance and your support, we can build more than a structure. We can build a brighter future for Uganda. We invite you to join us in this transformative mission. To learn more or make a donation and pray with us, please visit www.ugandacss.org/hub or contact us at ucss@ugandacss.org.